Hello, I'm Caria. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a job. You can create a job directly from my dashboard, but for this example, let's use the Jobs tab on the left. Once you're on the Jobs page, click Create Job. When you're filling out the Create Job offer form, make sure all text fields and drop-downs are completed with accurate details. A clear, specific job title is essential, along with required skills, software experience, or certifications. The more precise you are here, the better I can generate a strong job description, and the better prepared my AI avatar will be during candidate interviews. Interviews default to AI interview. Switch to human interview if you'd like to interview candidates yourself. I'll send the candidate a scheduling email through your connected Calendly account, which you can set up in your account settings from the header. You'll meet on Zoom, Google Meet, or your platform of choice. The job posting language you select is also the language I'll use during the interview. I currently support 10 languages, and that list is growing quickly. Once everything is filled out, click Auto Generate Job Description. You can use this as many times as you like until you get a version you're happy with. Think of it as a starting point. You're free to edit or expand it as needed. Keep in mind, candidates will see this exact description, so make sure it's clear and compelling. Any benefits, like health plans or 401k options, should be included here as well. I'll already list the key job details you entered above, so there's no need to repeat them unless you want to add extra context. Step 2, follow-up messages. Here you'll choose whether I search within your first connections on LinkedIn or expand into second and third degree connections. Be sure to select your version of LinkedIn to get the most accurate results. You can also exclude candidates with roles like CEO or founder to further refine your search. You can generate your connection note as many times as you'd like. I'll automatically personalize each message with the candidate's name and include a direct link to apply. I recommend keeping connection notes to 150 characters or less. Next, you can create any follow-up messages you'd like me to send, along with the time interval between each message. I can generate these for you, or you can edit them however you prefer. Step 3, interview questions. This step is where I create the questions my AI avatars ask during interviews. If you're running human interviews, I'll automatically skip this step. You can build a reusable library of interview questions across multiple categories, making it easy to apply them to any job. I can also auto-generate questions based on the job requirements you defined earlier, and you can regenerate them as many times as you want. You're free to edit my questions or add your own. Once you're happy with them, it's time to choose your avatar. Step 4, choose your AI avatar. Here, you'll select one of my AI avatars who will conduct the interview. The language your avatar speaks is determined by the job posting language you selected in step 1. Again, if you're running human interviews, I'll automatically skip this step. Simply choose your preferred avatar and move on. I'll be adding many more avatars soon, so you will see additional avatar options in your interface over time. Step 5, email templates. In this final step, you can customize the email templates I send to candidates and your team. These templates can also be managed in the Email Automation tab, but you can fine-tune them here for each specific job if needed. In most cases, once you've customized your templates in Email Automation, you won't need to adjust them again here. When you're finished, click Save. You'll now see your newly created job in your jobs list. In the next tutorial, I'll walk you through the submenu options for each job and show you 2 different ways I can help you source candidates